In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Calendly to Make. With this integration, you can streamline your scheduling and automate your workflows, making it easier to manage your appointments and follow-up tasks. So let's dive right in. To get started, you'll first want to head over to Make's website and log into your account. If you haven't already created an account, you'll need to do so to proceed. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. The dashboard is essentially your control center, where you can access various tools and settings for your integrations. Now on your dashboard, look for a button or link labeled Create Scenario. This feature allows you to set up a series of steps that Make will automate for you. In our case, integrating Calendly with other services you use. Click on Create Scenario to move to the next step. A new page will pop up with a search bar. In this search bar, you'll want to type in Calendly. This is an important step because Make needs to know which service you're trying to connect to. So type Calendly into the search bar and press Enter. Once you've done that, you'll see Calendly appear on the list. Go ahead and click on Calendly. This will start the process of linking your Calendly account with Make. By doing this, you're allowing Make to communicate with Calendly and automate interactions through the scenarios you set up. Next, you'll need to choose an event from Calendly that you want to automate. For example, you might select a specific type of appointment or event that you regularly schedule through Calendly. Choosing the right event is crucial since this is what Make will use to trigger any further actions you define. After selecting your event, there will be an option to create a connection. Click on this. Creating a connection is what ties everything together, allowing the systems to talk to each other seamlessly. Once you've created the connection, be sure to click on Save to confirm your settings. Saving ensures that all the information you've entered so far is secure and can be used for your automation scenarios. At this point, if you're not already logged into Calendly, you'll be redirected to the Calendly login page. Once you're logged in, you can begin filling in any necessary details such as the invitee email or the organization URL as required for the scenario you're setting up. And that's it. You've successfully connected Calendly to Make. From here, you can further explore the scenario settings to tailor the automation to fit your specific needs. This integration can save you time and hassle, allowing you to focus on what matters most in your business or personal scheduling needs. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Be sure to check back for more tutorials on automating your digital life.